Alright folks, grab your compasses and your logic hats, because today we are diving headfirst into the edge, literally. If the earth were actually flat, what would life be like? Spoiler, it's flat out weird. Let's unravel the mysteries of a pancake planet, one slice at a time. Before we start flipping this cosmic pancake, here's a quick history lesson. For thousands of years, people believed the earth was flat, kind of like a medieval pizza. Then Copernicus showed up, bringing science and a whole lot of sass, declaring the earth round and orbiting the sun. Fast forward 500 years, and some people still aren't buying it. To them, gravity is a hoax. The moon landing was CGI, and the earth? One big celestial pancake. Buckle up, flat earthers. This one's for you. Let's talk gravity, or the lack of it. On a spherical earth, gravity pulls evenly in all directions, keeping everything nice and grounded. But on a flat earth, gravity would behave like a clingy ex. Everything, and I mean everything, would be pulled toward the center of the disk. Trees would grow diagonally, rivers would flow uphill, and walking toward the edges would feel like scaling a vertical treadmill. Forget falling off, you'd need mountain climbing gear just to reach the infamous ice wall that apparently guards the edge. Thanks, NASA. And speaking of weirdness, let's talk weather. Rain, snow, and even oxygen would all gravitate toward the center of flat Earth, leaving the edges drier than my DMs. People in flat Australia would struggle to breathe, while those near the center would face crushing atmospheric pressure. It's like nature's way of saying, hey, maybe round was a better idea. On a flat Earth, there's no spinning core, which means no magnetic field. Bad news for everyone. Without it, our atmosphere would slowly leak into space like a deflating balloon, leaving us exposed to solar radiation, cancer, DNA damage, and no breathable air. Sounds like a vacation, right? Hope you packed a spacesuit. And now let's shine a spotlight, literally. On a flat Earth, the sun would orbit above us like a giant UFO. Sounds cool until you realize there'd be no time zones, no seasons, and no sunsets as we know them. Oh, and if the sun stayed its regular size, we'd either burn to a crisp or freeze faster than you can say global warming isn't real. Take your pick. Flat earthers claim lunar eclipses are caused by an anti-moon. Yep, you heard that right. An invisible celestial body lurking in the shadows. Sounds like the plot of a sci-fi horror flick. In reality, eclipses on a flat Earth would require some extremely creative celestial choreography. Let's just say NASA would need a bigger budget to pull that off. But here's the thing. Science doesn't bend to conspiracies. From photos taken in space to the way gravity works, evidence for a round Earth is everywhere. If the Earth were flat, none of our current technology, GPS, satellite communication, or even weather forecasts would function. And let's not forget, ships would literally fall off the edge. Talk about a bad day at sea. So, if the Earth were flat, life would be a chaotic mess of weird gravity, extreme weather, and disappearing atmospheres. Thankfully, science saves the day with a perfectly round planet. But hey, if you still believe in a flat Earth, more power to you. Just remember to pack a parachute in case you find that edge. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about what you'd do if you lived on a flat Earth. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars, or at least stay grounded